See that Crow? He's trying to act because he wants to be Russell Crowe.
Hop up! No, you don't need the whole latest one.
Ooh, yes! I like that.